Product definition and differentiation. Our product is a mobile phone holder that is located in the forearm and not in the biceps as the other ones, like in the photograph. Why in the forearm? We located our phone holder in the forearm because we want to solve some problems, like for example, the runners, when they are running and want to change the music or answer the phone or something, they should stop and then do the thing. So our product is made to solve this type of problems, like while they are running or doing sport, they can do things with the mobile phone. Okay, the business model canvas. First of all, the market segments. The customers who consume our products are mostly sportsmen and sportswomen, obviously. Our product is based on a 3D printer. Okay, the value proposition. As I said, our value proposition is that our product is manufactured with a 3D printer. Being manufactured with being manufactured with a 3D printer give us a high degree of precision while doing our product. So this is very good. As I said, for runners, our product is ideal. The channel. Our distribution channel will be 100% online. We will create an easy access website so the people can buy our product. So why we don't want to sell our product physically? We have decided to sell online because we don't think that it's advisable to open a shop exclusively to sell our product, as it's very specific. What will be more feasible is to contact, for example, pages as Amazon or Envialia or some pages like this to sell our accessories and offer them a little percentage for the sales that they do. Or for example, we can contact with a physical shop that sells running items or sports items and sell our product to sell them to sell it. But the idea to open a shop just to sell our product, we think that is not correct. The customer relations. We believe that one of the most important bases for a business is to have a good relation with customers. If there is agreement between the two parts, everything tends to go better. As our sales are aligned, we'll try to make the delivery as fast as and secure as possible. And we will offer the customers to put the Gmail so we can ask them some questions to do better our product and become better and better. Because as I said, we want to learn from our users, and we want to have a good relation with them. The sources of income. Our source of income would be the sales that we make in the website, and and that's it. The sales we make. And for example, if we contact, for example, with Amazon and they sell 100 products from us, we will have like a percentage. The key resources. The key resources to create our product will be the filaments of the printer, the software used among others. The software is very important since it will be responsible for carrying out the whole process. And the cost structure. Our cost will be the production of the product, and nearly that's it, because as I said, our sales will be online. The framework and the storyboard. By using framework, developers can save time and effort by avoiding the need to write every piece of code from scratch. The users and requirements. We identified the needs and requirements of the target users, and in the first step was that one. In order to find out if our product was good, we conducted a market study to find out the current options for mobile phone holders. For example, my dad used to run, so I asked him if he thinks it was a good idea, and he told me that a mobile phone holder in the forearm would solve a lot of problems. And our product is not just for runners. The concept ideation. We brainstorming a lot of ideas, and we explored different concepts of ways to integrate the holder into clothing or wearable devices, and we thought that it would be correct. Feasibility analysis. To see if this product was feasible, we analyzed technical and design constraints such as font size, material selection, ergonomics, and manufacturability. And the last one, the user testing. If we continue with the project in the future, we should test with users to get their feedback, observe how they interact with the cradle, the comfort level, and the overall user experience. And this, if in the future we want to continue with the project.
Okay, now I'm going to explain the utility sentence that we choose for our product. The sentence is freedom to run and keep your pace. Our sports phone holder keeps your phone safe and accessible while you run, so you can enjoy your music, track your progress, and keep your focus on your workouts without interruption. This utility sentence highlights the key benefits of the product, such as freedom of movement while running, the ability to keep pace and mobile phone accessibility, and how the support helps to maintain focus during workouts. It also targets a specific public in an average of 20 to 45 years old, more or less, who identify themselves as sporty and active. Following this topic, we have the empathy mat that is what we can see as the point of view of our potential customer, in this case Arturo, and this will help us to know what they think of our product, both the positive and the negative vision, to put ourselves in their shoes and analyze from our point of view what we can improve and how we can do it better to have our customers satisfied. For example, in the first question that we have in this map, we can see what does he think and feel. For example, the first sentence is he believes it is a very good product, especially for potential customers such as sports enthusiasts and especially running enthusiasts. The second one, for putting an example, is what does he hear? The first sentence is many runners say that they need a way to carry their phone while running, and they think this is a great option. What does he see? At first glance, the product seen from photographs will be a revolutionary product for those involved in running, but it needs to be implemented in the right way. And what does he say and do? Arturo is in favor of buying the product when it's already developed, and in this way test it to give his opinion. Once it is approved, he will put in on sale in his sports shop specialized for runners. This is some examples of this empathy mat. And following the next topic is our buyer persona. We put an example of a boy that is called Ramon. Ramon is a 31-year-old man. He is married to Sandra, and they live in the upper area of Barcelona, specifically on Carrer Mandri. He's a very sociable and a sporty guy. He studied a double degree in marketing with advertising and public relations in the Bato Libre University, and now he has managed to combine his passion for sport, his professional life, and he works in the World Padel Tour and is in charge of all the events and the marketing strategies of the department. Because of his current job, he's always traveling. That's why he does a lot of sport during the week to stay in shape. He walks to work, and when he leaves, he usually goes for a 15-kilometer run in the mountains. Since he was very young, he always been a very sporty boy. So in nowadays, he usually does marathons, triathlons, and more specific events such as the Titan Desert, Ironman, and Ultraman. And his dream is that in the future he will be able to do with his future family. Ramon is a boy who has no limits, and he is always looking to improve himself in the world of sport and work. This is more or less our type of customers that we will have to buy our product, and this is more or less all the people, the buyer persona that we will have in our product.
We did a user table about the situations that our users can face, like negative trends. They always have to check their phones for updates or other tasks they have to attend. Headaches, they can get 100 focus on their sport activities because they have also to focus on their phone so they don't miss anything. That includes like fears because they have to focus on their phone also. They have the fear to miss one of their calls, like work calls or other tasks. Positive trends, we want to make our users to attend their sport activities without being disturbed. And the opportunities, they can focus all their energy on their sport activities because their phone will be accessible to them without the having fear of missing one of their calls or other tasks that have to do with their work or daily things. In this table we have a product functions. In this table we compared our products to the main competitors that our product can face. In this case we compare it to sport brands like Nike and Adidas, and phone cases brands like Belkin and Under Armour that have similar products like ours in the market. At the end, what we want to show in this table is the absence of a lot of powerful functions that can do a big difference from the user perspective. Our product focus on all this perspective, high quality materials, safety phone, comfortable use, good emplacement, and our product can offer all these features while competitors' products can't fully give all these specifications to their product. So we can say about all this is that our product compared to the competitors got more high quality phone protection, more high quality materials to offer a solid protection, given to also its practical positions that gives a full control access to your phone while performing any kind of sport activity. As a conclusion, we want to highlight the highlights that our product, the phone bracelet, is an innovative idea that can provide better performance in sport activities due to its positioning in the forearm area, which makes it easier for the user to access and manage the phone. This product will be produced with 3D printing at the user request, taking into account the measurement for each phone model. The essential thing for consumers of these activities to carry out secondary actions such as reading a quick message, answering a call, changing music, etc. in the shortest time possibly.